Follow me at Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Zandramah.
Nobody with the balling, Millie. Do take off the black frock. Funeral and a one-time thing again. So nobody come with that. Pass me less fun to it, girl. Them now outdo me a boys the funeral. I need 3 hours to do my makeup. I'm gonna look so pretty. By the time I done box the face, yeah, you goodly don't recognizes me. Order some helium balloon. Work with Lego up in the sky. Like one British funeral with the 45 white dove them a fly. A fine style of do it. And we are go all out for send one boys, eh. Him castic go be 15 karat gold. And him a buried him a Lamborghini. Miss Arita did change clothes 3 times. Eh? Well, boys, they got change clothes 5. Them man, they have to get them ratings. Cause him did look out for when he was live. They make Miss Arita cross her legs. Well, boys, they got chop him 10. My offer load up boys the things. Wow, I'm gonna ask my friend again. Walk with the pepper spray, Millie. Cause me's a girl not take no check. Want 2 boys the Gucci shot them and a fight over him dead left. Me go call Poochie New York. Me go call Kerry England. Me go beg me 3 uncle them a foreign. Cause me don't have nothing for your go funeral. All my auntie Ingrid. You know how she mean. Me go scam out every red cent out her when me done ball and create a scene. Me now cook for the whole of the week, yeah. I so nice. Every night I dead yard means manish water, curry goat and rice. Them ask me for make up urology. And you know me don't like tell lie. Millie, what me say about boysy? The boy that the teeth a fly. Him never used to mind him pitney them. And him beat him baby mother till her face swell. Between me and you, Millie, me feel say boysy gonna hell. Rest in peace, yeah, boysy. If you really can. Cause between me and you, Millie, him was a dirty gun man. I can't say it make nobody hear. But him never really nice. You know much innocent people life him that way? I can't pay him price. See him shot a friend a come here. I him them call walking dead. Millie, pass the sign. Hold your belly, girl. Hold your head. When him fire, you know him nah miss. And him and the done now, so we can't afford for this. Make we do exactly like we practice. Boys, he was an innocent man. We want justice.
Follow me at Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Zandramah.